This is clearly a packing video, as you saw by the intro, but I'm going to Hawaii for like, I think 18 days, something like that. And yeah, so let's pack. Okay, it is currently Saturday and I leave on Tuesday. Everything right here is what I'm packing. But this is all just like stuff I've gotten recently. So Shein and Old Navy. Or I haven't even figured out any other outfits I'm bringing. Literally from here on, guys, is all I've decided. Like, these are just skirts and more skirts. This is literally 3 different black skirts. Like, why? I don't know. I think these are the only jean shorts I'm gonna bring. Got my toes done today, guys. Anyways, this is the only pair of jean shorts I'm gonna be bringing. Guys, why are these shorts all the same? Like, are they not literally the same? But that's not even the same pair as that one. Like, what? Why did I buy all the same shorts? I'm confused. I need to get my tripod out. These are the shorts I'm bringing. This pair from Hollister, got it literally years ago. This pair, I think this is from Shein from also years ago. These are from Shein. They're just nice because they're flowy and have like a liner on the inside. This pair from Fabletics. This is all the stuff I found in my closet. It's just like why am I bringing fucking 6 different black tank tops? I don't know. What is going on with this? Why didn't y'all tell me it was like that? I'm gonna go a little speed round of what I'm bringing, okay? I don't think I'm bringing that, actually. That is really ugly. No wonder I have never worn it. Just need a basic white t-shirt. Oh, okay, this is upside down. Oh, this is an oversized shirt, and then this. Okay, there's dry shampoo in my hair still. Like, can we just ignore that? Come back into my room and show you guys the shoes I'm bringing. These are the first sandals I grabbed. These ones, they're from Shein. These are all from Shein, actually. Ow! Bro, I just keep cutting myself and running into shit. Ow! The freaking patch thing on here came off, so it's just screws, so... What is this? Toiletries, I don't need that. Don't know what that is, don't need that, don't need that. Why did I forget how to, like, fold dresses? Oh, I do have more dresses. They're in the bottom of that pile, though. I like, feel like I'm not even doing a good packing video right now. Like, you can't even see me packing. There we go. And then we're gonna fold it in 2 outfits. This is 3. I think I'm there for 18 days and I'm kind of just packing to pack with the intent. I'm not really like going based off outfits, I guess. But that was 3. And this long dress. How am I supposed to fold this to? Because this has a little thing on it. Okay, I have one more dress. I've never worn this dress. I've packed it on 3 different trips with me, guys. Never have worn it. I got this in London in 2023, and I've literally taken it. I'm not kidding you. I took it last summer with me. I took it to Florida with us last year, and then I took it to Europe last year. Never worn it, and now I'm taking it to Hawaii. Do you think it's gonna get worn? Oh, okay, that was 5. Now this is 6. Okay, now what do we need? Athletic stuff. I think I should do that. I don't even think I have any sports bras to pack because they're all being used. So I know I'm bringing this and this, and I don't know where the black shirt went, but I just love this top, you guys. It's so cute. 1. Oh, I forgot I had that. Do I bring all of these? Like, I don't know. Guys, do I bring... Is that dramatic? Like, do I bring all of these? I do like wearing them, but I'm like, how many hikes am I going to be going on for? Or do I like, should I bring like the blue one over the green? Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I just be throwing shit in here to pack. Like, I as much as I travel, I should know what to bring or how to pack, and I don't. I just like look at stuff and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring it, yeah. Okay, blue or green, blue or green, blue or green, blue or green. I'm gonna ask Jada. Okay, I'm bringing black that is already this style, but like this color is so pretty, guys. Like, look. Maybe we'll do blue. I'm gonna see what she says. If she says green, I'm packing both, but if she says blue, I'll do blue. This isn't that tight. It's just like, it's not. I say that, but literally all of my other packing cubes ripped because I shoved too much stuff in it. I used to have black ones, and literally, I'm not kidding you, 2 of them had holes like poked in the corners right here or like right here because I would shove so much stuff in there, but they would still shut. Damn, I wanted to do the pictures where people take like I'm traveling, but I can't be aesthetic like that. I already started packing and I don't want to take anything out. Another one that is done. Basically all my tops. Okay, I found this Shein bag that I'm just gonna put my other swimsuits in, I guess. So, not 1, 2 bags of my swimsuits, guys. Plus this. Is this not a little dramatic? Anyways, my room is looking a little bit better, okay? I like the way wait, I want to show you guys how I'm holding you, but like, this all goes in my suitcase. Look how I'm like holding you guys. I've been listening to Unfiltered. Ignore the walking pad. Also, ignore the freaking American flag on it. I did not know it was going to come like that. The picture did not have that on it. I did not choose an American flag. But this is what we got so far. It's 9:33. I'm not like tired, but last night I literally went to bed. I started reading a book last night and I went to bed at 2 a.m. because it was so good I could not stop reading. Guys, what am I supposed to do about my camera bag and all that stuff? How the frick am I supposed to get all that to fit in that one bag? This is why I keep having to like stop talking to you guys and then come back and just tell you what I did, because I can't show you because it's literally taking me like 20 fucking minutes to do one thing. Because 1, I'm so stressed, 2, I like don't know how it's working because I'm like, I have too much shit. Like, I have a fan going, sorry if it's loud. I packed, I kind of just put this in here like this for now. I probably can shove something else flat on top of that, I don't know. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to take stuff out of my suitcase and put it in my backpack because I have to pack the snorkel. I'm about to get ready for bed and then I guess I shall see you guys tomorrow. I look like shit. I need to do my skincare real fast, but basically it's currently Monday and it's like 7 o'clock I think, and we leave at like 8 a.m. tomorrow. Anyways, yeah, gonna go eat dinner. I need my sister to cut my hair in a second. Oh, also all of my electronics are charged, guys. All of my camera batteries are charged. This is a portable charger. My watch is charging. My portable charger, other white one down there, is charged. My GoPro's fully charged. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta go eat and then we gotta go. Okay, Lexi cut my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell really because it's like we didn't really cut anything off. She got it and I didn't record because it was on the balcony. So, and I also have to do laundry. It's like 10 something, or no, it's like 9:30. Oh fuck. I got this book. I honestly think I'm gonna end this here because this is just so freaking long. I guess I'll see you guys when I'm on the plane tomorrow or something. I don't know.